appreciate everyone being here with us today. Today is an important day to recognize the rights, needs, and abilities of persons with disabilities and to understand the support and service available to them.
15(2) of the Constitution of India, including mentally challenged people, cannot be denied access to public goods. Yes, there are no discrimination. Everybody is equal in the eye of law. Every school, they need to ensure that this ability certificate should be there. The State Legal Services Authority, what are their role? In coordination with district education officers, chief medical officers, and other relevant departments shall ensure through principle that disability certificates are issued to all disabled students. Confirmation regarding the issuance of the same be sent to respective district legal services authority.
look around. If you're not sitting down by the way, musical chairs, who will be the last one to stay? Round and round and round and round and round and round we go. Round and round and round and round. Where we stop, we don't. Get out of my head, I'm falling tonight. I need that one thing. I don't know what it is, but I need that one thing. Now repeat after me. You're repeating after me. Follow the leader, leader, follow the leader. 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 On four, he's gonna jump and wait. On four, he's gonna jump and wait. leader, leader, follow the leader. On four, keep on a jump and win. On four, keep on a jump and win. There we go, one. Get ready to come, two. Get ready to come, one, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop it.
Ani ki jum tai te ki babun ni namar lada ngim de school te ngim yo mo kat kene kalat te leng ba ka jingwan kene ka school te yo ya kalat kumno ban le ki mo ban tip long ban yo lang ka jing nang jing start kum yo lang ki wei ki persons with disability ngim don kam ya kata ka sympathy ring don kam ya kata ka empathy mo baki ong te ki de ban ai ngi kalat ban simantah ki long kam hindi mo tang nakajing isin ay bakin ang oh isin ay yung tayo beriw hindi klem la ay te subuk ladang akwa jing bam te pin ladang supan bit pin ay te nla rem ubriw unam la ban ay bet te ulong ude ban hikay kanya nga ban set ne ladang akwa ban lek kay ru katay habawan na school bun bak jing yapher habak school ba maswa ngalit bun ka kide ki khna barok de ki ba along with visually impaired kiba don ka Jingduna ka borjo I ta nadu bang ajon hane bun ki disable bun ki we ki para parlok ki badon ki we de ki Jingduna bun ba ki jing ya pher kin tengala yo bun ki lat kin tiro ban pin I la ka jong sap kuma ki ban participate kuma ka debate dan ki sports activities ro kelas message te ngaka ban ai boro de ngi omdon kam ban petin yang ngi ma hadu kata hadu ban poch katong hende supli tang jingkhang ngi hende ngila hi ban rung dala dia tang kata police bun
ke jimun to te ki long ani kebala sabab palat mo kumingi haban kong te nomar kumanga amlong re disable nadu dangkha tang sulong kumtu dalang dan rusnam tang la school nasari kejiwan hapo snong te di natu pa nga long ayo no measles tang sa kala nga sa yo yu isra kan mo te den nanta long kibahing janga kila du jingkerman hi ka ban kong te nomor ba sumar se eru nim watlat nila watlat man sumar se eru yo ngimla te den ba ni school pat baru ki jingkerman ka wan kiweng kin ka yo biang jingkerman sibun nomor ba hang ni school ki hikai ngi babun jat kuna nginak ban tho ban pule kuna ngila ban kam komputer ki phones ngila ban kam baru kita te ngilon music ngilon yu kita jumentai babun ba hakayat kayang lada dan kino ki ba long kum lada subu kimi pa ki badan kun kum ngi hakaban kong kim tip etel lada ki du jingkerman kim de ban du jingkerman hakaban kong ta hoaj bangi lap kum ta te ngindu jingkerman hi henrei ndangi perkat I watlat kum ni kum ta ngi la banyo kalat henrei wat jingarap nang tu nang ni ngi wat jingarap kumta hi ngila ban dan ki ba support ngi ngila bi ban poi ka thong mai ke bangi kwa te kata hi wajudu jingkermen de ban wat lat kat badang la kita hi
dang adon haning ngaso kembala long kum kaying la jong namar badadon dang adon nongam kibun ki shay ong bang ngamat la ngakupta de dang awan sene pat ngayo sibun ki perlo ki baya ka jupat nga masuk kemen bang ayo sibun parlok bat matang la bang awanan school ngayo sibun baki jumeto ngayo le seki wiki jakaban le ruai bat ki parlok zonga ngayo ban type haki komputer tang tay ngako ban ong mas ko ban ong ba ya kibru baro bat trish to makap haki ka ba pikwa ban achieve kano ka goal trish tom and work for it kanaba pen success kanaba pen long ubreu ba success ko kasni.
There are several advantages which I didn't have in my previous school. If I talk about like technology, I got access to computer stuff more. I was more into technology and stuff, so I got more attached, or it would be wrong to say attached. I was more into technologies, how to use it. In fact, I mastered more after coming here. I learned how to use this technology to my education. It empowered me, like it gave me a confidence that yes, I can do. what I wish to do. So yeah, that is one of the advantages that I see in this school than my previous schools. Never lose hope. Keep doing whatever you wish to do, because like learn from the failures and never lose hope. That's it.
Bo I kunjunga idi autistic mo. Nado menta la laisnem. Te hakini ki laisnem bala dep ngai ila improve ha. La improve shi kadde ngam ngaklem community min improve hadu kan ne. But habangi page ye gidau ngi ba kalong singan ma kan ka environment hani kan. Te kinong hikairu kidon ma ga to Jingiakynduh. Ki perkhat na kabanda ki Khynnah te kilong welfare minded mo, and ki teaching it through ki biang te ki kit khia kinong hikai dang kinong hikai kidon ki staff hang niru ki badi page outside the classroom mo shabar classroom ro kidon digi ki staff an page te habangi ye kita khamta ma ki kam mo ba let shabar lani wesem jing ki kidon be digi nong option ni shabaru tengi ngisngus ngan but kajingkermen ngi kalong ko pernah saya khamat mo ladang ngila ban yo shugi ge hani school ki jingnon kam jung school maybe largi la an penbiang nabar ki ngong nomor ba ka school ka depend ma nabar mo ngi sngowe katan mangi don meeting te ngai ba kanang seiso kanang roi shushu kani te ngasngus ngai ngong miang seisi ngasngus ngai men boi khon jung hani but ngai don jingkermen shigat dei nak banta kalawai
tengah buat school ikon hang ni nado 2018 ngai diagnosis bidang autistic spectrum disorder ti ngabai buat school ikon hang ni di namar ba imlat ban kren katai dang dan lais nem ti ngalap ba ke early intervention hang ni bakadan kaya rap hai I madiling ba jong kata ba I ru ikam improve tika bidang one school hang ni hapo bi shong class 3 lala ban kren first 1-2 words eventually into a sentence tingai I bakaya rap hai I namar balai ba ilong kini autistic children kilong very routine with everything tidak kabang ibu I hang ni lakam dang improve shushu te ha to kajing long jong I not only the teachers even the principal herself she's very approachable very friendly and very welcoming ti ke ba dang penpha ban kham penpha shushu ke school pat ngi kwa ba ka sarkar kan nei 8 nam ta kan ke school ba kan pet ma dang buon ha ki Jingduna ha kalyang ke infrastructure mar kham tam ru buon ki no hikai hang ni ru ki kiran kam mo ki kiran kam tingi ngikermen ba ka sarkar kan nei 8 nam ta kata.
My son is Nitam Singh Binang. He is 11 years old, autistic, ASD. He has been here for last 6 years, actually just before Corona, that he got admitted in EE. Actually the first class here in EE, basically there is some sort of therapies and other that. Then after that it comes to KG, then it goes class 1, class 2 normally. Over the years, like last 6 years, though for Corona she was almost 1 year could not attend the school because of Corona, but he has improved in many ways, though we are giving therapies and other things as well. He has improved because that is goes to some extent goes to the way the school is functioning. Okay, that like not only concentrating only on educations, here many other things which are needed because of being parents of autistic children, we know that they may need small thing which is common for them, like for going to toilet, that is very common, necessarily we learn, right? But that is not common for autistic children. Even that simple things may not be common for autistic children. And these things over here, like say in the schools, like sometimes if there is a helpers are needed such time, and that school has people, not only teachers, they have helpers in this. There are helpers, kongs are there, and moreover some assistants are there, they help them. Even in classroom they help them. Okay, and all these things are you can get in these schools. Okay, that's why I'm saying though I stay in Nehu campus, we have got Kendra Bidala in there, I could have put him there. But whatever need for him, I cannot get in normal schools. Okay, like such inclusive schools is needed for them. And one good thing is that the children here all are not disabled. Some children are there, maybe 50% of them are normal children. They are normal children. So whatever things they are not only learning from teachers, and those children can learn from the normal children that how to behave normally in this situation. That is also needed, because that is for like over years we have learned that therapy for autistic children is not just doing this, that, like this. Only the simple things like do this or how to do this, these type of things are taught in them, and this is needed for children. And this is all these things you can get when there as normal children are available, and some other like say assistants are available other than this, and that is what I think that is doing it. And though there is a scope of improvement, which I am sure that school authorities are doing it, moreover there's some support from the NGOs and other things are doing it, or Betten are doing it. So but whatever needed, whatever the best we can get in Shillong, maybe this is what I can give to my sons to in these schools.
I have been teaching here since 2013, so it's almost 15 years I've been here. So since then I have experienced lots of changes in the school, and the changes are always for the improvement of the school, the improvement of the children with disability, and the facilities which we have been providing here. We keep on improving those facilities from year to year. So some of the facilities, first of all, I would like to talk about digital literacy, which is which has become very important in this present day. So we have digitally, we have really moved ahead with the help of some of our friends. They have introduced to us this book share, which has really helped the children to progress digitally. And we have other projects as well, like Vision 8. Vision 8 also, it talks about digital literacy, and both these projects, Bookshare and Vision 8, they have provided us with lots of facilities. They have provided us with mobile phones, with laptops, which has helped our children to progress in the world of digital literacy. Other than that, in our school we have a hostel facility for the children with disabilities mainly, and of course others as well. And we also have a physiotherapist. Then we have special educators who are trained in different fields like visual impairment, hearing impairment, and intellectual disability, then autism, all these things. In all these fields we have trained teachers who deals with different kinds of children. And one important thing is that our school is an inclusive setup where we take all kinds of children, and we don't believe in discrimination. All children are welcome, irrespective of their disability, caste, religion, creed, all that. So these are few of the things that I have mentioned, but of course there are many more things. Like we have an inclusive playground, we have inclusive classrooms where all the children are taught under one umbrella, where there is no segregation. Yeah, I would also like in this day, the 3rd of December, which is celebrated as the International Day for World Disability, I would like to give this message to each and every person in this in our country, in every home, that we should understand our children. We should not differentiate between our children based on their abilities or disabilities. We should be equal to all of them, equal treatment, equal should be given to, equal treatment should be given to all the children, irrespective of any disability or any any background they come from.
I am the associate manager for Benetech, not for profit from California, and our flagship program is Bookshare, for which we've started working with digital literacy with Jyoti Shrot School, and we have been helping them how to teach all the students of their school, no matter with what disability, to be digitally equipped. So they are studying with laptops and phones like all non-disabled people study with books and pencils and pens. These children are studying with mobile phones, keyboard and laptops, where they are taking notes, they are writing exams, studying, and the books have been provided by Bookshare, which is an online library for people with disabilities, print disability rather. That means a person who cannot read a printed book. We have free memberships for all such type of people, where we have about 13 lakh books, and it's great to see in Bethany Society that all the children are digitally equipped and they are ready to face the world and be included in the mainstream with their non-disabled counterpart with the help of technology. So my message would be that every disabled person is a non-disabled when he has technology in his hand.
Akan ni kesengi ngir ke International Day for Persons with Disabilities. Kadi kesengi jong ki kena jong ki brio ki padon Jingduna ha ke Dkhot men. Ngir ke kan ni kesengi namar ba kidai ki lingkong ba kidai ki brio henry ka disability jong ki kawan hadien. And we ni kwa aru ban empower ki haman na ki liang ka hakaba ki kidon. So ke eru ba ngi sham hang ni haskul ba ni ailat di kena baro bakin yang hala ki jong ki jan ni ailat di ki bakin nang bat rai ban sio ban tem ban pon bat ru ban le ki computers te ki jing ki bangi kendo ka kum ki nong hikai ha kan ka school ka long ba ka government yang ni kam da yarap ba ha kinu kiliang but ni kerpat ka government ba at least bakan yarap dingi ha ka liang ka tulop kamtam namar bangi ngil atrai kata snem katulop jungi kampat kot hire sha kum ki wei pat ki nong hikai ki patre ki deficit school kita ye ki struggle ki jongi but ngi kat pat ru ye ki ki ni ki brio shimet mo de ki la ban yarap ban wan jungo yingi ban wan pet ye ka school ka jungi khnang ki ba ki la ban tip ya ka Jingduna ka yo ko kot ka jungi bat ba kin yarap ru yiki bat yiki khana school khamtam ki brangkam ya ka yarap ka jongki ki plans for the next 5 years is ba ngin la ban ai kham ha shu yiki khana mendai tangkat ni mentar ngi persyang hi ban ai ka babhatam but in the days to come ru ngi kwa ba ki khana they will stand on their own feet khamtam hakabayade bat ka jing le exams jungi khana ngi kwa ba ki khana akin tho hi khamtam kin ki khana ki badon Jingduna ha ka bor yu bakin tho hi yala ki jong ki answers mo hakabade bat ki board exams komenta ki khana ki don kam ki scribes bakin tho ki exams ki jong ki te ngi kwa ba next 5 years ba ka government kan yarap yingi bakan promote ki digital literacy khnang bagi khana ru ki la ban tho hi ki exams ki jong ki khana jungi hadien baki la adap ban puli graduation ki la adap ka graduation bunsin hi ki le chabar ngidon ki khana manta ki batre ha ki ni ki firms ki bahe ki companies ki bahe and ki tray it's an inclusive a company baki tray and some of them are they are holding good big posts ha ki companies ki jong ki ro and we have children ki batray mata po Nigrims ru Arlangot in Nigrims Hospital. Then we have children ki batray ha po Supake Hospital ru So we have ki children ki balong ki batray all over kan, ha ki kini ki firms, ki companies, lani ki offices.